Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. Let's see what happened with Bitcoin after the intraday video today. This is gonna be the daily close, and of course we mentioned that we have several possibilities here after, of course, the invalidation of an impulse here. We see, of course, the price emerging, of course, within the zone 1, and that is invalidation of any kind of impulsive wave, opening the scenario here for a potential diagonal first, which is of course zigzag, correction, another zigzag, correction, and another zigzag. And in this case, of course, it might be the possibility of an A, B, and a C here, in a potential, of course, expanding flat after having here a potential wave 3, wave 4, and of course, because we have a wave 1, 2 here, hitting around the 1.618, and of course looking for a wave 5 after it, of course after this blue box has been hit perfectly. Now we have hit the blue box in time and of course within the fib, but we still of course need to finish a structure. Right, we still need to see the structure finished, and in case here that we are in a potential diagonal, well, it can this diagonal be in case of course of a possibility where a wave 3 has stopped here, or even I would say a wave C, because of course it can be a zigzag here, A, B, and a C, and this can be of course a zigzag in the following ending diagonal. Yeah, so if we have here a potential ending diagonal, which is of course a possible 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. And in this case scenario, you have kind of like zigzags here in the wave 1, wave 3, wave 5, and you have of course the wave 4 and the wave 2 also as potential zigzags. But yeah, this is a possibility, of course. That means in case that this what happened here, that means of course that you might have topped a wave 1 here, which is a major wave 1 of our bull run, and we move of course in a bear market. Meaning bear market, of course, that we are looking at the diagonal, leading diagonal wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. If this case, when we finish the diagonal here, and we see of course a 3 ways up, and of course we take the low again here, this is a signal of a potential bear market. Of course it can be A, B, C deeper, but also very likely to be 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 toward the downside. So we gotta be very careful, of course, about this. This might be, of course, something very deep, of course, and bearish. But before this, of course, we still need a signal here, 3 ways and down. And maybe, of course, we're going to continue simply toward the upside. Now, the second signal or second confirmation is taking the invalidation of this impulse, 1, 2, 3, wave 4, invalidation at 118K. In case this happens, okay, we don't have any bullish scenario anymore. We might have finished here with any kind of bullish scenario to unfold. Now, only one case you still have it is a 1, 2, 1, 2 for later on, but a very massive wave 1 after this first one, which is of course reducing the possibility. But of course, we need to test it in this area. We test wave 2 and then 3, 4, 5. So this is regarding Bitcoin currently on the 50-minute chart as well. We see a little bit of rebound here, but don't forget that this might be a wave 4 for this diagonal. Yeah? It can be, of course, a zigzag and then moving again toward the downside. That was it for Bitcoin, the daily close. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.